Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to attend an IEP meeting via Zoom. This is Dr. Jones, the school psychologist for Salle-Peru High School. The first thing that we'll have you do is go to your email and find the email that was sent to you via your child's case manager. In that email, there will be a blue hyperlink which will send you over to Zoom when you click it. So we're going to click on the link, and it should take you over to Zoom, and you will see a preview video screen there. If this does not take you directly to Zoom, it will take you to a spot where you need to download a Zoom application. This usually only takes a minute or two to do. So once you're ready to go and you see the video preview, you're going to click on the blue box that says Join with Video. From that point, it will take you into a waiting room. Here you will see a message that says, "Please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon." This just means that the meeting has not started yet, or we're waiting for all the participants to show up, and I will be letting you into the meeting soon. Once you are in the actual meeting, another box will pop up that says Join with Computer Audio. You're going to click on the blue box, and then you'll be able to join the meeting. There are a couple features of Zoom that I would like to share with you to make your experience easier. In the bottom left corner, there is a mute/unmute button. If you click that, you will then see this red line going through a microphone, which means that you are muted. At any time, if you would like to make a comment during the meeting or share something, you can click that button and it will unmute you. Additionally, there is a stop video button right next to the mute button right here. And if you click that, it will change your screen to an icon similar to the L on my screen so that no one can see your video. There is also a chat feature in Zoom. So if you click on this box here that says chat, a box will open up on the right side of your screen, and you'll be able to type a message in and everybody will be able to see that. So if you're having any problems with your audio or your visual, feel free to type something in and we can address it through that box to try to help you. There are a few recommendations when using Zoom. We ask that you log into the meeting a few minutes early to make sure that you are able to access Zoom. This will just help us stay on time, and you may have to download the Zoom application, so you want to make sure you have a few extra minutes to do that. We also recommend that you use a computer, Chromebook, or iPad to access the meeting. You are able to access Zoom from your cell phone. What we have found is that when we share a screen, it's very hard to read because it's so little, and you're unable to sign documents from your cell phone. But if that is your only means of accessing the meeting, then we would encourage you to use your phone. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to call or email your child's case manager. If you do not have internet, please feel free to call us or contact the case manager prior to the meeting date, and we will set up a call-in number for you to attend via phone. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call the Special Education Office, and the phone number for that is 815-220-2742. We look forward to meeting with you and having a great productive year with your child. Thank you.